Welcome to Money Internet, your go-to destination for all things crypto. In this video, we're going to be discussing the exciting world of crypto investment and how you can use it to build wealth. We'll be covering 10 essential questions that will provide valuable insights for beginners looking to get started with crypto investment. Stick around till the end of the video for 5 tips that will help you make informed investment decisions. It is important to note that before investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, it is crucial to conduct your own research and due diligence. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, and it's important to understand the risks involved before making any investment decisions. Before we start, make sure to click that like button and subscribe to Money Internet so you never miss a video from us. Now, let's get straight into the video. Before we dive into the world of crypto investment, let's first understand the basics of what cryptocurrency is and how it works. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other types available. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a public ledger, known as the blockchain, which allows for transparency and security. What are the benefits of investing in cryptocurrency? The benefits of investing in cryptocurrency include the potential for high returns, as the market is highly volatile, increased transparency and security provided by blockchain technology, and the ability to make transactions without the need for a central authority or intermediary. It also offers more privacy and security since all transactions are secured through cryptography on the blockchain network. Additionally, it can be a hedge against inflation and can be easily accessible and transferred to anyone, anywhere in the world with internet access. It also offers decentralization, which means it is not subject to government control or manipulation. What are the risks of investing in cryptocurrency? The risks of investing in cryptocurrency include the potential for high volatility and market fluctuations, lack of regulation and government oversight, the potential for hacking and fraud, and the risk of losing access to the cryptocurrency due to lost or stolen private keys. Additionally, the lack of acceptance of cryptocurrency in many businesses and institutions may limit its utility, and it may not be widely accepted as a form of payment, thereby making it difficult to use in everyday transactions. The value of cryptocurrency can be highly speculative, and its value can be affected by a number of factors, including regulatory changes, market sentiment, and the performance of the underlying technology. Furthermore, the technology behind some cryptocurrencies is still in its early stages and may be subject to rapid changes and updates. This can be hard to keep track of, and it can be hard to understand the true value of a cryptocurrency. How can I minimize the risks of investing in cryptocurrency? Minimize the risks of investing in cryptocurrency. It's important to do your own research and to keep track of market trends and news. It is also important to invest only in reputable projects and companies, and to use a secure wallet to store your cryptocurrency. Additionally, diversifying your investment portfolio by investing in multiple types of cryptocurrency can help to minimize the risks of investing in any one particular currency. You can also use risk management strategies like stop-loss orders, which can help to limit your potential losses. Furthermore, it is important to be aware of the regulatory environment in your country, as regulatory changes may have a significant impact on the value of a cryptocurrency. Also, it is important to not invest more than you can afford to lose, and be cautious when dealing with new or less established cryptocurrencies. What are the best crypto investment ideas for beginners? The best crypto investment ideas for beginners include: 1. Bitcoin BTC, the first and most widely recognized cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is considered a safe and reliable investment with a proven track record. 2. Ethereum ETH, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Ethereum is a popular choice for investors looking to invest in the development of decentralized applications. 3. Litecoin LTC, a newer and cheaper alternative to Bitcoin. Litecoin offers faster transaction times and lower fees. 4. Ripple XRP, a cryptocurrency designed for use in the financial sector. Ripple is often used for cross-border money transfers. 5. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, a fork of Bitcoin that aims to improve scalability and transaction speeds. Also, it's important to diversify your investments and to keep track of market trends and news. Additionally, it is a good idea to invest in a crypto portfolio management tool, which will help you to keep track of your investments and to make informed investment decisions. How can I research and evaluate potential crypto investments? Researching and evaluating potential crypto investments can be done through several methods. 1. Reading white papers and technical documents. Cryptocurrency projects often release white papers and technical documents that provide detailed information about the project's goals, technology, and development progress. 2. Researching the team behind the project. Look for the team's experience and track record in the industry, their involvement in other projects, and their LinkedIn profiles. 3. Checking the project's social media and community. Look for active social media channels and a strong community following, which can indicate a strong interest and support for the project. 4. Analyzing the project's code and development. Look for open source code and development activity on platforms like GitHub, which can provide insight into the project's progress and potential. 5. Check the project's partnerships and collaborations with reputable companies and organizations can indicate the validity of the project and its future potential. 6. Reviewing market analysis and data. Look for market analysis and data on trading volumes, prices, and market trends to understand the potential of the cryptocurrency. It's also important to keep track of news and regulatory changes that may affect the value of a cryptocurrency. It is also a good idea to consult with experts and to seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. How can I protect my cryptocurrency investments from fraud and hacking? There are several ways to protect your cryptocurrency investments from fraud and hacking. 1. Use a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your private keys offline and away from potential hackers. 2. Use a password manager. Using a password manager to generate and store strong passwords can help to prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. 3. Keep your software and devices updated. Keeping your software and devices updated can help to protect against known vulnerabilities and potential threats. 4. Use two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication to FA can provide an additional layer of security by requiring a second form of authentication, such as a fingerprint or an SMS code. 5. Avoid phishing scams. Be cautious of unsolicited phone calls, emails, or messages requesting personal information or money. 6. Be careful with your private keys. Keep your private keys and seed phrases in a safe and secure place and never share them with anyone. 7. Diversify your investments. Diversifying your investments can help to mitigate the risks of losing all your investments in the event of a hack or fraud. 8. Keep your eye on your investments. Keep track of your investments and monitor the market trends and news. How can I keep track of market trends and news in the crypto world? There are several ways to keep track of market trends and news in the crypto world. 1. Follow crypto-related news sources. There are many online news sources that provide regular updates on cryptocurrency prices, market trends, and industry developments. 2. Follow crypto influencers and experts on social media. Many experts and influencers in the crypto world share their thoughts and insights on social media platforms. 3. Use crypto tracking and portfolio management tools. There are various tools available that allow you to track your investments, prices, and market trends in the crypto world. 4. Join crypto communities and forums. Joining crypto communities and forums can be a great way to stay informed about market trends, news, and developments. 5. Subscribe to crypto newsletters. Many crypto projects and platforms offer newsletters that provide updates on their developments and upcoming events. 6. Attend crypto events and conferences. Crypto events and conferences provide a great opportunity to meet other investors and to learn more about the industry. How can I use risk management strategies to maximize returns? There are several risk management strategies that can be used to maximize returns when investing in cryptocurrency. 1. Diversification. Diversifying your investments across different types of cryptocurrency can help to spread risk and reduce the impact of any one particular coin's performance. 2. Asset allocation. Allocating a portion of your portfolio to cash or stable assets can help to balance out the volatility of crypto investments. 3. Hedging. Hedging your investments by taking short positions or using options can help to offset potential losses in the event of market fluctuations. 4. Stop-loss orders. Setting stop-loss orders can help to limit potential losses by automatically selling your investments when they reach a certain price. 5. Regular monitoring and rebalancing. Regularly monitoring your portfolio and rebalancing it as needed can help to ensure that your investments remain in line with your risk tolerance and investment goals. 6. Avoiding emotional decisions. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions or market hype. Instead, stick to your investment plan and do your own research. What are the best tools and platforms for getting started with crypto investment? The best tools and platforms for getting started with crypto investment include 1. Cryptocurrency exchanges. These are platforms that allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. 2. Crypto wallets. These are digital wallets that allow you to store and manage your cryptocurrencies. Hardware wallets such as Ledger and Trezor are considered to be the most secure options. 3. Crypto portfolio tracking apps. These apps allow you to track your investments and monitor market trends and news. Examples include Blockfolio, CoinTracking, and CryptoCompare. 4. Research platforms. These platforms provide information on different cryptocurrencies, their performance, and historical data. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko are popular options. 5. Investment platforms. Platforms like eToro, Binance, and Coinbase offer investment products such as index funds, ETFs, and other investment vehicles for beginner investors. 6. Learning resources. Crypto platforms like Ivan on Tech Academy, Binance Academy, and Cryptocurrency Certification Consortium C4 offer educational resources and training to help you learn more about the crypto space. It's important to note that it's essential to do your own research and to understand the risks involved before investing in any particular platform or tool. Additionally, it's important to check the regulations and the security measures of any platform before using it. So that's all you have learned about cryptocurrency through this video. I hope you like this video and find it useful.